Welcome to Michigan Condo Voices, where real co-owners and real Michigan communities come together. We break down the issues that matter most with clarity and transparency. Let's get into today's episode.
Hi everyone, I'm Stephanie with Michigan Condo Voices. When an HOA board has been struggling, the solution isn't just getting more volunteers, it's getting the right mix of skills, mindset, and leadership approach. Long-standing boards often indirectly pass on volunteers with integrity and skills that are much needed to get operations under control and to restore trust in communities. Today's video is about the characteristics that actually help stabilize a community, especially when trust has been strained. Healthy boards attract people motivated by stewardship, not control. Struggling boards often suffer when decisions are driven by ego, defensiveness, or personal agendas. The most effective board members don't need to win, aren't threatened by questions, and understand they are temporary caretakers of a shared asset. This mindset alone can dramatically reduce conflict. Boards that struggle often do so because information is withheld, not because it's illegal to share, but because it's inconvenient to share. Strong board members can explain decisions clearly, share financial context without defensiveness, and distinguish between confidential information and inconvenient information. Transparency doesn't weaken boards, it stabilizes them. You don't need to be an accountant, CPA, or engineer. You do need to understand how budgets align with actual maintenance needs, what reserve studies are telling you, and when deferred maintenance becomes financial risk. Boards get into trouble when co-owners approve numbers they don't fully understand and don't ask questions. Emotional regulation and restraint is one of the most overlooked board skills. Struggling associations often escalate conflict because feedback is taken personally. Dissent is interpreted as hostility, and silence is used as a control tactic. You would be surprised at how some boards actually feel about co-owners that speak up and how they strategically deal with them. Effective board members stay calm under pressure, separate criticism from character, and respond, not react. This alone can change the tone of an entire community. Willingness to share responsibility and not abdicate it. Delegation is healthy, abdication is not. Boards must work with property managers, attorneys, and engineers, but strong boards understand decisions remain theirs, ask questions before approving actions, and maintain oversight rather than deferring blindly. This protects both the board and the association. Long-term thinking over short-term comfort. Struggling boards often avoid necessary maintenance, honest conversations, and difficult budget decisions. Effective board members think in terms of sustainability, risk management, and community trust over time. Short-term peace often creates long-term damage, and some boards only want peace. Strong boards aren't built on personalities, they're built by principles. If a community is struggling, new board members don't need to be louder or tougher. They need to be steadier, clearer, and more accountable. And for those considering board service, the role really matters, not because it's powerful, but because it's consequential. Thanks for listening, everyone. Take care.